This is David. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the thumbs up button. I spent 3 nights in the Powell Springs campground in Dewey, Arizona in September 2024. The campground is in the Prescott National Forest. My iPhone 15 with Verizon service and with a WeBoost Drive Reach Overland had no signal at all. Even with some trees in the campground, my Starlink worked flawlessly. Thank you, Mr. Elon Musk. I hope you enjoy this video, and please, if you have any comments or questions, please let me know. Thanks again, and bye now.